Hi, I'm Aishwarya from the Mycroft team. This video walks through what I built over the weeks. 2 AI agents that read a patent's claims section and its citation network, the part of a patent most tools skip past. A patent abstract is marketing language. The claims section is the legal artifact. Design 2 agents that read the second one, not the first. Method: the claims section is a numbered list of legal statements defining what a patent actually protects, broad and offensive, or narrow and defensive. Most patent analysis tools never read it. They read the abstract, which is plain English marketing copy, or they just count filings per quarter. Use this when you need to know what a company's patents actually cover, not how many they filed. Where it fails: claims are written to be ambiguous on purpose. A model trained to summarize technical text will often produce a clean technical summary that loses the legal subtext entirely. That gap is the whole reason this needs 2 agents instead of 1 prompt. Into Claude Code. Scaffold a claims agent that pulls full patent text from USPTO data source, extracts the claims section specifically, and produces a structured reading. What the independent claim protects, how dependent claims narrow it, a defensive offensive exploratory classification, and required, an explicit statement of what the reading is not confident about. Read the method that matters. It does not parse a guest API response. It raises NotImplementedError, on purpose, with a reason attached. Writing parsing logic against a schema you have never actually seen produces code that looks finished and is quietly wrong the first time it hits a real response. An honest stop is worth more than a confident guess. Run it. Nothing crashes, and nothing pretends to work either. The client raises a clear error naming exactly what's missing: a real USPTO open data portal key, and 1 inspected response to build the parser against. That's the correct output for this state, not a silent failure, not a plausible-looking fake result. Checking the actual data source before writing more code. USPTO open data portal has the claims text, but needs a government identity verification step that takes real time. Google's patents public data on BigQuery has the same claims text, confirmed via the actual table schema, no identity verification required. Switch the source. This is not undoing week 3 work. It's recognizing a constraint that only became clear once the pipeline's real needs were understood. The schema, verified by hand, not trusted from documentation. Claims localized with real text, language and truncated fields and citation, with publication number and category. 1 dataset now serves both agents. Verifying it directly also caught something documentation wouldn't have shown: a publication number format mismatch between older granted patents and newer applications, found by looking at 5 real sample rows instead of guessing twice. When to use this pattern: 2 independent readings of the same artifact, with a coordinator that names disagreement instead of quietly picking one. When not to: if the second reading would just repeat the first, skip the second agent. The complexity is only earned where the 2 views can actually conflict. And the smaller lesson underneath both agents: an honest not implemented error is worth more than code that looks done. Here is what this looks like in a real session, on your own patent. Paste this in. 2 agents read a patent, claims and lineage with Claude. Built with Claude for Humanitarians AI.